Welcome, Cherry's family. Today we're going to be interviewing Costa, who's a representative of Noblelift, and it's one of the brands of products that we are so happy to be a part of selling and promoting. And today we're going to be discussing a brand new product. It's an electric pallet truck known as the
PTE33N for new.
Go ahead.
It's our new addition to our line with cutting edge technology, and we decided to name this truck Edge.
Fantastic. Cutting edge technology. So we're going to be discussing the cutting edge technology. What makes this unique? What makes this different from other pallet jacks out there, electric pallet jacks out there? So Costa, if you could just give us an idea of what...
Sure, my pleasure.
Yeah.
This truck is very compact. We decided to go with 45-inch overall length forks. This makes the truck very compact. It will be extremely easy to operate in narrow aisles, trailers, delivery trucks, and so on. We decided to redesign the handle, battery, electric components, and hydraulics. It comes standard with a keypad. There's a standard code. It can be changed to whatever the customer wants. It can be reset once the code needs to be changed or reset.
So basically you're saying that a key code can be set for security purposes, so that...
That is correct.
Okay.
Yes, only the operator or the manager of a company can know about it. Or of course it can be entered as an easy code and the whole company can know about it.
So there's no key then?
There's no key. We decided to go away from the key option that we had on our previous truck due to problems with bending or breaking those keys.
That's a great idea.
So we listened to our feedback that the customer gave us.
Awesome. That's good.
Another feature that I really like about this specific truck, it has a proximity switch. Once you operate the truck and you turn it around, it slows down. Then it picks up again and slows down again. This is again for an ability to give the operator the chance to control this truck better and easier at tight spaces.
Okay, so basically, when they're like going at full speed and they suddenly turn, you're saying it slows it down to prevent toppling the product.
That is correct.
That's an amazing feature. That's something that we want to make sure we tell people about, because safety is our focus, right?
That is correct. We design everything with safety in mind. The other really nice feature for operating this truck in very tight spaces is it has a pinwheel feature. You can actually move this truck around with a handle in the vertical position.
Okay. So what you're saying, in the sense of having a trailer truck, if you're driving in a trailer truck and you have tight space, I would imagine that is a big deal.
That is correct. In my opinion, the best feature that this truck has, it's a battery. This battery weighs only 8 pounds. It's a 20 amp battery that lasts approximately 3 hours of continuous use. The really nice feature about this battery, you don't really have to try to guess where the plugs are. You just place it, drop it, and the battery locks in place. The truck, again, is ready to go.
That is awesome. So that battery weighs, I would imagine, how many pounds? It's
approximately 8 pounds on this specific 20 amp battery. Our biggest battery is 36 amps, and the weight on that one is approximately 13 to 14 pounds.
Wow, this is very user friendly. So you have, let's say, an aging market, women working.
Correct.
This makes it so much easier to take it out, get it charged. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. That's another safety feature right there.
Very nice. And we also have a port that we can charge this battery, either on the truck, or we can just take it out. We can place it in a desk or in a trailer.
We have a sample here. Let me get out of the way. Can you see this?
Sure. It's a very small, very compact, very light charger. This plug is specifically designed by our partner, and it's waterproof. So it plugs in, and even if this is exposed to moisture or humidity, it will prevent from the battery or the charger to get it in.
That's fantastic. That is so simple. Plug into a standard 120 outlet. It makes it very simple for everybody. That's the goal. Keep this highly simple. We love this.
User friendly.
Yeah, user friendly. The edge. Okay, now let me see if I recall. There's some other features you mentioned, if I'm not mistaken. You said this is programmable.
That is correct. We decided to go with the Curtis controller, an American controller. We want to give the ability to our customers and our dealers to have easy access to the components and the brain of the truck, which is inside that plastic cover. And every service department, at my knowledge at least, have that handheld Curtis controller. They can plug it in and easily change the parameters of that brake.
Okay.
So we can slow it down, we can make it faster, we can make it stop faster, or extend the braking system.
Okay, so companies have their unique wants for their application. Let's say, for example, if they're taking a load and they suddenly stop and it maybe has to roll a certain distance, you can actually program that, right?
Yes, we can actually do that very easily. It takes literally about 10 seconds.
Amazing. So this is cutting edge technology.
That is cutting edge technology.
Wow. Okay. So capacity?
3,300 pounds.
300 pounds.
It can carry a full 3,300 pounds load in a gradability of approximately 4 to 5%.
Okay, that's fantastic to know.
It has electromagnetic brakes. That means once the truck is stopped, it's not moving.
Okay.
It can actually be on a 4% incline without moving at all.
Okay.
With a full load on it.
That's safety. We love it.
Yes.
It's going to help us a lot with our customers. Well, fantastic. Well, these are the general features that we wanted to discuss with you. Now, in our next segment, we're going to be talking about maybe customizing options. Maybe we're going to talk about also seeing it in action. So stay tuned. Talk to you in a second. Welcome back, Cherry's family. We're going to be discussing now some of the optional features that the PTE33N or the Edge has to offer. So, Costa, if you could just give us an idea, what are some of the features that we can have?
Sure. We're offering this truck in 2 different widths, 27 and the narrow version of it, that it will be 21. Also, we have on the makes.
I'm so sorry, referring to the width, right? 27
Yes,
wide.
overall width.
Overall width, okay.
And we also have in the makes another size. It's a secret for now, but it's going to be close to 16 inches overall wide.
16 inches. Guys,
Yes, 16.
that's a big deal.
And the length will remain the same. Of course, for customers with special needs that they need custom lengths, we can offer that too for larger quantities. Also, we're designing a backrest for this truck. We'll have it available in approximately 2 to 3 months. So around January or February of 2019, it will be available. It will fit both sizes, possibly the 32, the 16 inches. And we also offer 3 different batteries. And I know, Jerry, you're interested to hear about that.
Yeah.
The truck comes standard with a 20 amp battery, 24 volt, 20 amps. That will give you, again, a lifetime of approximately 3 hours. The standard that comes with that battery is a standard charger. It will charge this battery in approximately 4 to 5 hours. We offer a bigger capacity of a 24 volt battery with 30 amps, same charger, or possibly a fast charging charger which will charge fully the battery in approximately half the time, 2.5 hours.
Wow.
And we have a bigger battery of 36 amp hours. It will be charged with a different charger, a little bit bigger charger than this one, and it will have a life of approximately 7 hours of straight working operation.
Really?
And the batteries weigh anywhere between 7 pounds to approximately 14.
Wow.
Very lightweight, very easy to unplug them, plug them back, carry them, change them.
Fantastic. Wow, that's just... So there's a lot of companies out there, they have theirs, they need to be on a continuous run. So you have the option of more highly industrial batteries that'll hold charges longer. So we have that option to make available to the public through this product. This is fantastic.
Yes. Also, all batteries, all three options are lithium batteries, and they have a BMS, which is a battery maintenance system to prevent these batteries from extreme conditions, such as overheated environments or cold and freezing temperatures in those areas.
So there's a safety feature along with the battery.
That is correct.
Depending on the temperature, right?
Correct.
What'll happen, it'll like...
It will shut the truck down.
Shut the truck down. That's amazing. So that's a safety feature that's well noted, well worth noting. So excellent.
So yeah, it might be similar to other trucks in the market,